just made the lobster tail for the first time. I had to cut them. Oh boy, you should see the whole video. It's funny because I was scared of this as if it's gonna bite me. But otherwise, I did a great job. Very interesting video here because I have never cut the lobster tails and baked them myself. So this time I say I'm going to try something different. So here they are. I hope I'll be able to cut them, and I'm going to make a sauce for them. So this is the sauce that I make with some peppers. I already made it, so I'm just gonna put some in here. And squeeze some lemon. Squeeze some lemon and some butter. I already have garlic in there, so let's see this. It's gonna be interesting. Like that. Okay, so I'm going to, okay, all right now. So just take them like right and go like, oh, it's not that bad. Because when you watch somebody do it, it's like, and then you're supposed to stop somewhere there. Somewhere here, I think. Right, and then open it up. Whoa, okay, all right. Let's see if they, so open both sides, right? Ooh, open both sides. Why am I, it looks like I'm going to mess it up, because you're supposed to open it like, ooh, hold on, I broke it. Okay, just break. Yeah, and then they do this. This is what I was trying to do. Then they do that, then it looks cute. Yeah. Gotcha. Oh, I'm getting there. But see? What about the legs though? Do I need to clean it up?
I mean,
I think I might have to, because
if you want to, you can, but you can leave it. It's
yeah,
okay.
So this is how I'm gonna do it, and then wow, that wasn't too bad for the first one. Mm-hmm. And then I'm going to brush it with the sauce and then bake it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Usually it has like this green, yellow, like green, blue color. And then it's getting red.
The way it always looks easy when people just split it, this thing, like they do it like, ooh, okay, I'm getting better at it. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Hey, you're doing just fine.
Gino. Look. I am doing this. And then that's what I was saying, like, and then they kind of like, I'm so glad I'm wearing gloves. Oh my God. And then, yeah, this thing does come off. I don't know how people eat this, but so that's what I was trying to do. Okay, I did the best I can. You can see I'm all done, and I'm going to just baste it with this beautiful sauce of mine so they can be nice and marinated. Next time I'll be a pro at this, boy. All set. And I'm gonna prop by them again. Look like I'm into something. Let's see. I'll show you when it's done. That's that. I'm going to bake it. Broil it. I'm gonna broil it for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, there it is. It's done. Looks beautiful. Once it turns that pink, it's done. Took 7 minutes. And look at that baby, looking good. I did a great job otherwise. Yes. Looking good.